दोस्तों, वेलकम टू यूएन कॉलेज डिजिटल क्लास। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे डिस्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर। डिस्क्रीट स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? तो आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे लॉजिक, यानी लॉजिक क्या है। लॉजिक क्या है? लॉजिक इज द ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एज वेल एज कंप्यूटर साइंस। लॉजिक मैथमेटिक्स का ब्रांच है, अलग हुई थी कंप्यूटर साइंस। सो व्हाट इज अ लॉजिक? डेफिनेशन हम डिस्कस करेंगे। व्हाट इज लॉजिक? लॉजिक इज द ब्रांच ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एज वेल एज कंप्यूटर साइंस which deals with the study of statements, and its truth values. Statement and its truth values. So लॉजिक क्या है? लॉजिक मैथमेटिक्स और कंप्यूटर साइंस का ब्रांच, एंड इट डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ स्टेटमेंट्स। स्टेटमेंट क्या है? उक्ति और सेंटेंस। तो सेंटेंस के ऊपर वो स्टडी करते हैं ऑन इट्स ट्रूथ वैल्यूज। सो ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या है? स्टेटमेंट का ट्रूथ वैल्यू क्या है? सो इट इज आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स और बोथ। सो दिस कॉल्ड लॉजिक। नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज स्टेटमेंट। स्टेटमेंट क्या है? स्टेटमेंट क्या है? स्टेटमेंट इज ए डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस। स्टेटमेंट इज ए डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस which is either true or false but not both. यानी those statements declare something. The statements declare something. Suppose a triangle has three angles. A triangle has three angles. यानी कि a triangle has three angles. A triangle originally has three angles, so it is true. If someone tell a triangle has four angles, so it is wrong, false. So either true or false. ऐसा ही स्टेटमेंट है, यानी कि बोथ ट्रू और फॉल्स निकलते हैं। सपोज हम बोलते हैं कि x इज इक्वल टू वाई, x is equal to y. So x and y are both are equal. In some mathematical problem, x is also equal to y. In some mathematical problem, it is not equal to y. So it is true or false. Both value निकलते हैं. So it is not statement. Statement क्या है? Those sentences we fix it is true or false. So those called as statement. यानी कि पर्टिकुलरली दो स्टेटमेंट्स आइदर फिक्स ट्रू और फिक्स फॉर फॉल्स, उनका वैल्यू निकलते हैं ट्रू, सो इट इज स्टेटमेंट। वैल्यू निकलते हैं फॉल्स, सो इट इज स्टेटमेंट। ये वैल्यू निकलते हैं बोथ ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, इज नॉट स्टेटमेंट। सो दो सेंटेंसेस आइदर ट्रू और फॉल्स तो कॉल्ड एज स्टेटमेंट। नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि व्हाट इज ट्रूथ वैल्यूज। ट्रूथ वैल्यूज क्या है? ट्रूथ वैल्यूज यानी कि ट्रू और फॉल्स। ट्रू एंड फॉल्स बोथ आर कॉल्ड एज ट्रूथ वैल्यूज। इस दोनों को ट्रू और फॉल्स, ट्रू एंड फॉल्स, ये बोथ को कहा जाता है ट्रूथ वैल्यूज। यानी कि दिस symbol T stands for true and F stands for false. So these two values called as truth values. हम बोलते हैं कि एक दिन 24 आवर्स, इसमें दिन 12 आवर्स and रात 12 आवर्स, both called as one days. So true or false both simultaneously called as truth. Truth means it is determine what is the truthness of the statement. So it is true or false. So both called as truth values. a statement can be represented as small Roman letters like P, small p, so it is a Roman letters, or Q, it is also Roman letters, R, it is also Roman letters. So these statements can be represented as small Roman letters. Like a set, we know that a set is represented as the capital letters of English alphabet. Suppose capital N, the set of natural numbers. So capital N is represented for natural numbers. So here a statement can be represented as small Roman letters like P. Suppose for example we take it is Sunday, so it is a statement. आज बुधवार है, मगर एक आदमी ने, एक बंदा ने बोला कि इट इज संडे, आज संडे है, सो इट इज फॉल्स, सो इट इज ए स्टेटमेंट, आइदर फॉल्स और ट्रू, इन बोथ द केसेस, सो इट इज ए स्टेटमेंट. बट साइमल्टेनियसली a statement gives two values, true or false, so it is not a statement. So if fix it is true, so it is statement, fix it is false, so it is a statement. So if in Sunday someone tell it is Sunday, so it is true. In other days someone tell it is Sunday, so it is false. So एक statement का true और false एक word निकलते हैं, so it is called a statement. So these statements are represented as P, Q, R, S like this, P, Q, R, S. So these are called as small Roman letters. These are called Roman letters. A statement is two types. So it is prime statement or composite statement. If a statement do not contain any connectives, called as प्राइम स्टेटमेंट. प्राइम स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि एक स्टेटमेंट के अंदर कोई कनेक्टिव नहीं होगा, सो स्टेटमेंट कॉल्ड एज प्राइम स्टेटमेंट. सपोज इन मैथमेटिक्स 2 and 3 called as prime number, but 6 is a composite number because 6 is made up of 2 and 3. 2 and 3 called as prime number, but 6 is a composite number. Suppose we call as it is Sunday, so it is a statement, it is prime statement. If some connective are present in a statement, the statement called as composite statement. यानी कि statement two types है, एक prime statement और another composite statement. So next discuss करेंगे what is connective. The 4 words or phrases, the 4 word or phrases like or and only if and only if and only if and only if. These are 2 words and they are 2 phrases. These 4 words or phrases called as connectives. In logic, in English, and is a connective, or is a connective, when is a connective. In mathematics or logic, or and only if and only if. These 4 called as connectives. These 4 called as connectives. Or and these are 2 words. Only if and only if. These are called 2 phases. यानी कि 2 word or 2 phases. Simultaneously, the 4 are called as connective in logic. Next हम डिस्कस करेंगे what is negation. नेगेशन क्या है? नेगेशन इज ए लॉजिकल वर्ड. उसका इंग्लिश मीनिंग है नॉट. इंग्लिश मीनिंग क्या है? नॉट मीन्स नो। उसका एक सिंबल है, सिंबल क्या है, दिस सिंबल का नेम है उगली। सो नेगेशन का मीनिंग है नॉट, इंग्लिश मीनिंग है नॉट, तो क्या सिंबल है दिस सिंबल, नेम ऑफ दिस सिंबल इज उगली। सो व्हाट इज नेगेशन? If a sentence or statement, the sentence which is a statement, if a statement is modified by the word not, then a new statement is result. Suppose a triangle has three angles. A triangle has three angles. So it is a statement because it is true, its value is true. So it is a statement. If this statement is modified by the word not, a statement को हम modify करेंगे और उसमें एक word लगाएंगे, क्या है not? A triangle has not three angles. If a sentence is modified by the word not, so a new statement is result. The new statement called as negation statement of the previous. स्टेटमेंट क्या है? सपोज हम स्टेटमेंट को लेते हैं कि P. If we take a statement as symbol as P, so negation P is the negation of the statement P. नेक्स्ट हम डिस्कस करेंगे नेगेशन का एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ ए स्टेटमेंट P is represented as it is Sunday. It is Sunday. So, if this statement is modified by the word not, the statement is modified by a word not. So, a new sentence, a new statement is result. New statement is result. So, symbolize, it is called as negation P. It is written as negation P. And the negation P means it is not Sunday. So, it is called as negation. Truth table for negation. तो negation का truth table क्या है? Suppose we take P as a statement. So, negation P is the negation statement of the P. If the statement P is true, so its negation value is false. If the statement P is false, so its negation value is true. Suppose take an example. P is a statement or a triangle has three angles. So it is true. A triangle has three angles. So it is true. If we modified the word not, so a triangle has not three angles, but no three angles. So it is false. If someone tell a triangle has four angles, so it is false. The next, the triangle has not four angles, so it is true. यानी कि if P is true, so negation P is false. If P is false, so its negation value is true. So it is truth values or truth table for negation is complete. Next, we are going to discuss about disjunction. So what is disjunction? डिसजंक्शन क्या है? डिसजंक्शन का इंग्लिश मीनिंग है और. द सिंबल ऑफ अ डिसजंक्शन इज दिस सिंबल, लाइक द लेटर ऑफ इंग्लिश V. So what is disjunction? When two sentences are combined by the word or, a new statement is result. The new statement called as disjunction statement. For example, we have taken it is Sunday. Another statement is it is Monday. Both the sentences are combined by the word or. The resultant statement is it is Sunday or Monday. So this is called the disjunction statement of this P and Q. So the two sentences are combined by the word or. A new statement is result. The new statement is the disjunction of the previous two. Clear? Next, we discuss about the truth table for the disjunction. If true and false are assigned to the two statements P and Q, so it is in 4 rows, because the two values true and false, it is 2, and the two statements is 2. So, number of rows is 4. So, P and Q, the two statements are assigned, both are true, or first of 2 then next false, or first false next true, then both are false. If the two statements are true, then disjunction is true, because suppose R means क्या है? Union in set, so it is the similarity of union. If P is a set and Q is a set, in figure suppose this is P, this is P statement, it is Q set. If P contain 3 elements 1, 2 and 3, Q set contain 3 elements 3, 4 and 5, and 3 is in the both. If someone tell 1 is belongs to the set P in the first statement, so it is true, and 1 belongs to Q, so it is false, because 1 is not in Q. So, this row P is true, Q is false. If combine these two sentences by the word or, so P1 is belongs to P disjunction Q. और means क्या है कि disjunction. So 1 belongs to the union, so it is true. Suppose in the first row, if 3 belongs to P, it is true. 3 belongs to Q, it is also true. 3 belongs to both, so it is true. In third row, if 4 belongs to P, so 4 belongs to P, 4 belongs to P is false, because P contain 1, 2, 3, so it is false. So assigned is false. 4 belongs to Q, 4 belongs to Q is true, so it is true. 4 belongs to both means that a union, total region 4, so it is true. Next of all, 7 belongs to P, 7 is not belongs to P, so it is false. And if you take 7 belongs to Q, 7 belongs to Q, so it is false, because 7 is not in Q. So implies 7 not belongs to their union, so it is false. So it is the truth value of a disjunction. Today we are discussing about logic. In logic we discuss about the statement and its truth values. Then we discuss about prime component and compositive component. Then we discuss about negation and disjunction. The conjunction and conditional statement discussed in the next video. So thank you to everyone.